coming back, let's learn a third thing. Right now we learned how to add two vectors. Now let's learn how to break two vectors. Suppose I am given a vector and I ask you, break this vector into two vectors. Can you break a vector into two vectors?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is called resolution of vectors. Can you break one vector into three vectors?
Yes, sir.
Yes, any number of vectors. So I was teaching you how to break a vector into two vectors. Suppose I have got this vector as a vector. Please see, suppose this is vector A. And I want to break it into two components, which is called resolution of a vector, breaking a vector. Suppose you have, I tell you break it into two components. Can anyone suggest me how to break it?
Sir, we can express it in unit vector, so ai cap plus 0j cap plus 0k cap.
No. I didn't ask you to express it in zero vectors. That is उसमें तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. I want to break it into two vectors so that after adding those two vectors, I get back the same vector. Now just see all of you.
So they can be infinite things.
Yes, they can be in infinite ways. Yes, I'll give you one way. You break it here. This vector is suppose C vector and this vector is suppose D vector. Now C plus D, on the head of C, you have kept the tail of D, and on adding these two vectors, you will get vector A. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So I can break it here, I can break it here. Infinite ways तो यही हो गए. Now I have another way. कृतिका की neighbor उससे कुछ पूछ रही है. What is she asking you?
Sir, I was suggesting a way, just confirming it, even she agrees.
You were
Suggesting another method.
हाँ, so you suggest that method to everyone. Please tell me.
Sir, you can make a triangle, break A into two parts,
Yes,
and make a right.
yes. We can have this way also. She's right. Good. Let's see. But ये suggestions आप सिर्फ मुझे देंगे और किसी को नहीं. See this. I can have a vector like this, and I can have another vector like this.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is C and this is D. Now, can I say C plus D is equal to A? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can I say A plus C is equal to D? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Yes, very good. Intelligent. Can I say A plus D is equal to C?
No, sir.
No. Only C plus D is equal to
A.
Everyone clear? Very good. यार काफी इंटेलिजेंट है आप लोग. I must say now. अब आगे देखते हैं. अभी थोड़ा और पता लगेगा. ये बेस लेवल की इंटेलिजेंस थी. Now see this. Suppose I tell you and I give you a vector A again, and I tell you break it into two vectors which are mutually perpendicular.
Sir, the exact same.
Sir, we take A as the hypotenuse of a right angle
Yes, sir.
triangle.
So how many ways I can break that?
Infinite.
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 In the hypotenuse, if you want to take it only one.
Okay, ठीक है. I agree. I can choose it like this also. I choose a vector like this, इस direction में, and then I drop a perpendicular. Yes, they are at 90 degrees. This angle is 90. So C plus D will be equal to A. Am I right? Yes, any. I can choose this direction also. I could have chosen any direction. Suppose I choose this direction and drop a perpendicular. Now, this vector plus this vector will give me again A. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So, any number. So, what is how many ways I can break this vector into two mutually perpendicular directions? Infinite ways. Very good. Ready? Next. If I tell you there is a vector A, again the same vector. And if I tell you, you break this vector into two mutually perpendicular components, but those two mutually perpendicular components में से one component has to be along this line. Now in how many ways you can break it?
Only one.
Only one way. Have you already done all this?
No, sir.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. अच्छा, ठीक है. तो ड्रॉप अ परपेंडिकुलर on this line, and there will be only one solution. This will be one vector. Let this vector be C. Let this vector be D. And C plus D will give me A, and there will be only one way in which you can break it. If there is a vector and I want to break it into two mutually perpendicular vectors, and I specify one direction, okay, one vector has to be in this direction, along the red direction. In that case, there is only one unique way of breaking it. Now, can you tell me, suppose I told you this is 100 newtons, vector A, and this angle is theta. Theta is say 30 degrees. Now, can you tell me what will be the magnitude of C and D? Tell me fast.
C will be 100 cos theta and D will be 100 sin theta.
चलिए आगे चलते हैं आप. Ready? So if I tell you, please be attentive. I am just going to still. So right now we are doing a topic called resolution of a vector. Resolution of a vector का मतलब है breaking of a vector into components. Here we are breaking the vector into two mutually perpendicular components. So we call such resolution as rectangular resolution of a vector. Please write down. Rectangular resolution of a vector, where a vector is broken into two components which are mutually perpendicular, and one component, the direction of one component is already specified. Is everyone clear? I am just going to do the थोड़ा थ्योरी पार्ट के आप घर जाके नोट्स देखें तो आपको लगे कि कुछ पढ़ाया गया है. देखिएगा, सपोज दिस इज अ वेक्टर A and I have told you that there is a given direction, a direction which is making an angle say 30 degrees with this. Theta is equal to 30 degrees and magnitude of A is equal to 100 Newton, suppose. And I tell you, break this vector into two mutually perpendicular components. One component should be along this direction and the second component should be perpendicular to this. Rectangular. I'll draw up a perpendicular. And this vector are my answers. I need to find the magnitude of C and magnitude of D. And we will learn that formula also. Please see how will we do it. This is a right angle triangle. Sin theta. Can anyone tell me? Sin theta in this triangle will be equal to what? Sin theta. If this angle is theta. Magnitude of D by A. Magnitude of D by A magnitude. Now can I say A is equal to, D is equal to A sin theta?
Yes.
Everyone clear? And what will be C equal to similarly? Cos theta will be what? C by A. So C is equal to A cos theta.
Yes.
So now please note it down. Whenever you have a vector A and it is making an angle theta with some direction, so the component of that vector in that direction is A cos theta and perpendicular to that is A sin theta. Note it down and explain it to yourself in your own words. This is called rectangular resolution of a vector. Please note it down. Explain it to yourself.